Here. That normally here, I just don't want this to be touched. So here, you feel this now?
Yeah.
As soon as I touch, I give you this feeling. But my whole body is going to increase. This is fighting. Okay? But as I increase, I go like this. Can you see there's a little bit fluctuation? But overall, there's nothing like this.
Right.
So when you touch, can you see? I must make you feel like it's hard, but you can handle it. If you feel like you can't handle it, you change. When you change, then I'd be better off being in this position than a new position because it's not predictable. I don't want you to touch me. If you're too strong,
Right.
you touch. And if I go like this, you don't know what the next move is. But now we know here. I work with this. Okay. So once I'm here, I lock everything, only use the dropping of the shoulder a little bit, indentation of the chest. Mainly is the releasing of the elbow. So when you put it together, see, as soon as we touch, can you see? Can you see here? Touch. On this here, lock everything, only release. The release only involves the elbow goes to the hand, the shoulder goes to the heel. So young person come feel my shoulder without blocking, stay here, touch my heel, front foot, heel, 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 behind, yeah. Just grab it, grab the Achilles, yeah. Then touch my shoulder. Okay, so if you go like this, you feel that? It's very clear, right? But can you see? Now somebody here, whoever can squat, and touch here, and squat down, touch here. You feel the alignment. If it's like this, can you see there's no alignment?
Yep.
If it's like this, there's no alignment. It's only here, and this here. No alignment, no alignment, no alignment. This only stays here. This one can go. Touch, you feel. Can you feel there's a line?
Yeah.
Backed up by this here. We all move like this.
Right.